Hey y'all, so today we'll be making an invisible ponytail. You want to use your desired lace. You'll need a bundle, scissors, your glue of choice, and some clips. So I just added a piece of braid hair paper under my lace because I will be using some bonding glue and I don't want the bonding glue to mess up my fabric. So next you'll see me using the bonding glue on my wefts, and these wefts have already been pre-cut. I would suggest you pre-cutting your wefts before starting this project because it makes it a lot easier. And you'll see me begin to lay the wefts down on the lace. It does not have to be extremely perfect. Also, if you don't want to use bonding glue, then you can sew, but I wanted to make this tutorial as beginner friendly as possible. I do know some individuals don't know how to sew, so this would be extremely easy for you guys. Also, you don't have to use bonding glue. If you would like, you could use a hot glue gun. I was gonna use a hot glue gun and I decided to change my mind. The bonding glue just worked a little bit faster for me, so I just decided to use the bonding glue. And next you'll see me, I will be taking another piece of my pre-cut wefts to add onto the piece that I've already laid down. And you want to do this all the way up to the top part of the lace. Remember to not go over that black band that you see at the very top of the lace. This will be extremely important when it comes to putting the ponytail on at the very end after the ponytail is complete. So just continue to lay the tracks down all the way up, and you'll see me begin to play around a couple of the pre-cut pieces that I made. And I just want to make sure that the pieces are the same length at the bottom, and then as you go up to the top, I'll begin to make the pieces a little bit wider. I wanted to just basically fit the lace, the design of how the lace look, and that's how I cut my pieces out. So if you don't have this piece of lace, or your lace doesn't look like this, then you want to cut out a piece of lace, a small piece. You don't need a really big piece to make the ponytail. And then you want to begin to pre-cut your wefts according to the size of lace that you cut out. So now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the tutorial. I will come back in shortly before the tutorial ends. that we're at the end of the video. This is the last weft band added under the black band. This is what the ponytail looks on the back side. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.